Case study based question of the chapter perimeter and area. Okay, this question is for class 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, the question is the government decides to make a stadium with circular running tracks for the athletes. They have to make 5 tracks of different lengths given in the figure. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. This is the railway track 5 rings हैं. The radius of first ring 10 meter, radius of second 14, R3 third radius 21 meter, radius of fourth ring 28 meter and fifth ring is 35 meter. Okay, now these are the questions. You can make as a multiple choice questions, otherwise the simple answers. Okay, there are 5 questions. Question number 1, what is the length of track 5? What is the total length of the track 5? It means the perimeter of the track 5. The radius of 5th track is 35. Okay. How to solve? The radius of 5th track is 35 meter. Okay. The total length. Total length means circumference. Total length equal to circumference of the 5th track. The formula of this 2 pi r. Okay. Total length निकालने के लिए क्या निकालेंगे? Perimeter. Perimeter means circumference. अब easily निकाल सकते हैं. The value of pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 35. Now cancel by 5. Okay. 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 22 which is equal to the 220 meter. Okay. The total length of the track 5 is 220 meter. Now question number 2. What is the area of innermost circular region? Innermost means this one the region. First circle region. Area. The radius first area is 10 meter. The formula of area. Area of circle is pi r square. अब यहाँ पर हमको कोई पाई का वैल्यू नहीं दिया गया है तो हम लोग क्या है मेरी रेडियस कितनी दी हुई है 10 मीटर. So we can use value of pi is 3.14 into 10 which is equal to the 314 meter square. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is what is the area between track 2 and track 1? Okay. The area between track 1 and track 2. This one is the area. So we can find this area by using the formula of area of ring. Okay. So R1 equal to 10 meter and R2 is 14 meter. Okay. Now area of ring. Area of ring. What is the formula of area of ring is pi R2 square minus R1 square. It means area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. So we can use 3.14. R2 square is 14 square minus 10 square. Okay. 3.14. 14 square is 196 minus 100. 3.14 into 96 equal to the 301.44 square meter. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 4. What is the difference between the length of the track 4 and track 5? What is the difference between? It means circumference of 4th track and circumference of 5th track. What is the difference? Okay. R4 equal to 28 meter and R5 equal to 35 meter. The difference between the difference equal to circumference of 5th track minus circumference of 4th track which is equal to the 2 pi R5 minus 2 pi R4. Take 2 pi common, 2 into 22 by 7. R5 is 35 and R4 is 28. which is equal to the 35 into minus 28 is 7. Cancel. The difference between track 5 and track 4 is 44 meter. Okay. The last question. What is the distance covered by an athlete along the track 3? Track 3 means this one is a track blue. R3 is given that 21 meter. Total distance covered by track 5 is circumference of third track. The 2 pi are 3. 2 into 22 by 7, R3 is 21. Now cancel by 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 22, 132 meter. Okay. This is the case study related to the chapter perimeter and area.